Okay, Year 11s, again, just doing our last few days preparation for our upcoming Paper 1, Paper 2 and Paper 3 exam, okay? Question number 1, right, to round 10.4052 to 2 decimal places. The key here is to look here at the second number here. That's a 0. Look at the number next to it. That's 5 or more, so that's going to bump up that 0 to a 1. So our answer is 10.41, okay, to 2 decimal places, yeah, because it's 2 numbers after the decimal point. Hence, we have rounded, okay? So remember, 5 or more, you round up. 4 or below, you bump down or round down. Question number 2, Year 11s. Complete the frequency tree. You've got 60, French, Spanish, tennis, no tennis, tennis, no tennis. So to work out the number of French students, you could say, or people, okay, you do 60 subtract 28, 60 minus 28. Again, yeah, no harm in doing, yeah, column subtraction. 0 minus 8, I can't do anything to borrow. Okay, that becomes a 5. That now becomes a 10. 10 take 8 is 2, and 5 take 2 is 3. So there's 32 French students, you could say, okay, or French people, and then 28 Spanish. And then to work out the number of tennis, 32 minus 18 gives you 14. And then 28 minus 16 gives you 12. Again, obviously, check it if you're unsure using column subtraction. Okay, but I don't want to waste here too much time with that. Yeah. Question number 3. A shop offers a 10% discount. A coat in the shop costs £36 with discount. Work out the cost of the coat before the discount. So we start here, work out our original, we're going to call it X or N. We're going to multiply that here by the decimal multiplier. Now 10% discount means that I pay 90% of the original amount. Okay, 90% as a decimal, so 90 over 100, okay, 90 hundredths is 0.9 as a decimal. Again, check it if you're unsure. That'll give you 36. Rearrange to make x the subject. Okay, so divide by 0.9. Okay, we have x is equal to 36 divided by 0.9. Here, I can do one of 2 ways. Okay, I know that 0.9 as a fraction is 9/10. So divided by 9/10 is the same as multiplying here by 10/9. So I'm going to do 36 times by 10/9, okay? So dividing by 0.9 is the same as multiplying by 1.1 reoccurring, or 10/9, because 0.9 as a fraction is 9/10. And if you divide by a fraction, okay, you multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, so let's obviously work it out. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 4 times 10 is 40. Okay, that's one method. Okay, so it's £40 before the discount. Okay, another method is to times top and bottom of this fraction by 10 and get 3/69. Okay, 36 divided by 9 is 4, and then add on the 0 gives you 40. That also works here. Whatever method is better for you. Okay, but that's question 3 done. Question number 4, again, a very, very classic question here on higher foundation. Write 50 as a product of its prime factors. So start with 50, and obviously decompose it into 5 and 10. Okay, circle the 5 here because it's a prime number. Okay, 10 decomposes into 2 and 5. 2 times 5 makes 10, and 5 times 10 makes 50. Circle the 2, circle the 5 here, because they're prime numbers. Remember, a prime number is a number that has explicitly 2 factors, 1 and itself. 1 is not a prime number. Okay, that's a really common mistake. 1 is not a prime number. The first and only even prime number here is 2. Then it goes 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, okay, so on and so forth. So a prime number is a number that has explicitly 2 factors, 1 and itself. Okay, 1 is not a prime number, just obviously emphasize that. So 50 is 2 times 5 times 5. or 2 times 5 squared. Okay, so 2 times 5 or 2 times 5 squared or 5 squared times 2. Okay, and again, question 4, I'm almost certain is going to come up here on your non-calc paper, maybe even calc paper, but yeah, for AQA, EdXL, OCR, WJC, CIE, and any other exam board that is equivalent to GCSE maths in the United Kingdom in England. Okay, thanks for watching. Good luck with revision. Take care. Bye bye.